There is an elite class of people at the forefront of the anti-climate change movement. They talk the talk about climate change, but do they walk the walk? If someone truly believes in catastrophic climate change and that humans are causing it, and that person happens to have the wealth, influence, voice, and power to actually do something, then why would they not want to set the example for what needs to be done? An extravagant, materialistic, self-indulgent, often hedonistic lifestyle full of luxury and excess does not set the example. If not even 5% of the people on earth share the extravagant lifestyle and excesses of many of those at the forefront of the anti-climate change movement, Al Gore included, the planet would quickly run out of resources. It requires a lot of energy and resources and creates a lot of pollution to fuel extravagant lifestyles. Protection of the planet has to move far beyond talk into the realm of action and example.